place to snorkel. The water's all crystal clear blue from here.
Yeah, it looks good. It's just a nice experience, and it's something that's so different than what we got to do together back in Boston. Here in Hawaii, you can just be out with the sea turtles and see all of the local fish. It's so much fun.
Saw a parrotfish and a clownfish.
Every time we go, it's a brand new experience. Being able to go out and snorkel every single day is amazing, you know. It's the lifestyle that we've wanted to live. And
Go to sleep, Daphne. You ain't got to get up every time I move, you move. Lay down and go to sleep.
The next house that I'm showing Kenny and Caitlin is on Kalori Loop, and it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Its interior living space is 1,221 square feet. It's listed for $597,000. Hey, Sandra. How's it going?
Victoria,
We're on Kalori.
bring Nafi a pillow downstairs.
The entire area was filled with pineapple fields. Then eventually the new home started being built.
yeah, as we drove up, everything looked really well manicured.
The neighborhood was nice.
The neighborhood that Kaloli Loop is in is absolutely beautiful. It's super green. There's really nice houses lining the streets. It looks like somewhere that you can see a family being.
Now the house here is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Perfect, sounds great.
The price though is $590,000.
Victoria, you going walking with us?
A little bit of
Huh?
The budget, Sandra.
Okay, well let's just take a look and we can talk a little bit more about that later.
Sandra tells us that the list price for Kaloli Loop was $597,000. And we were like, whoa. That's way over our budget.
This is nice.
I love the space of this living room. Hardwood floors kind of flow throughout the whole house.
Automatically, I'm drawn to the floors. They're so beautiful. All right, let's go find the kitchen, the heart of the house.
Yes.
Oh, this is great. I love how it's so open in here.
Cooking area is perfect space. We're not going to be bumping into each other like we usually do. So I think that's a plus on the list.
Absolutely. The only thing is the appliances.
And
Definitely need to change the counter and
the
tops.
tops, yeah.
Given the price tag of the home, we really expected a mind-blowing kitchen. But instead, it's a little bit outdated and the countertops definitely need refinishing.
Want to check out the master?
Daphne, I don't know why you be trying to eat in private.
Good
Why you always
space.
trying to eat in
Perfect
private?
space. I like the lighting. Both windows right here, window right here.
Yeah.
Get the air circulating.
It's a really homey.
Perfect for Coco. That's a little garden area. Could do some gardening, right?
Yeah, I like that. You know, some avocado trees or pineapple. I think the trees and the walls give it a nice sense of privacy too. It feels like you're really in your own backyard, you know, and it's something that we can really use. We can grill on the patio and Coco can have her own space and run around and just be a dog.
Hey, beautiful couple, how are you? I can see you're enjoying the backyard here.
Yes.
There's finally a backyard.
I know, it's
Need a big space.
Finally.
Yeah, well, what do you think?
So one thing we really like the floor, it added a really nice touch.
And then also on the plus side, this neighborhood is pretty nice. We like it a lot.
But on the other hand, there were things in the kitchen that we didn't like so much.
Countertops, the stove. So with all the renovations, especially in the kitchen, it's gonna be a lot of money. And we're over budget already.
It's about $597,000. I think the reason for that is because you have a backyard. This is an actual home with a usable yard or space.
For sure. And that's something that, you know, we haven't seen yet.
There is one strategy, and that is however it would cost to pay for the renovations, you can lower your price.
Good idea.
You do have a lot of decisions to make, and what I'm going to do right now is give you some space.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Sandra.
much, Sandra.
What do you think about Kalaleo?
I think it's beautiful driving up. It's on a private road and it has 4 bedrooms. However, the size size of them wasn't so great.
Kalole Loop.
The Kaloli Loop House. Well, I feel like when you walked right into it, there wasn't really good flow to it. It was kind of sectioned off, and that's not something that we were looking for.
And it was way over budget.
With the work that we would have to do in the kitchen, I do not think that that would be a reasonable option. However, it was in one of the best areas that we
What?
researched.
You know, that neighborhood was incredible. How about that
Huh?
house?
The Canada house blew me away. The view of the
Say what?
kitchen was just spectacular.
I know.
Oh, crumble cookie.
These were great. Upstairs line.
Well, you look like your mama turning that corner.
The kitchen was decent.
That was a crumble cookie.
Alleyway kitchen.
It did need some work.
Ah, I might take the ride.
Look, I'm working my butt
You
out.
look just like her.
I'm working my butt out.
How do you feel about that?
You see?
I thought you was talking about that. I said, why you got the hat on like
Because I
that?
don't want to show my face. Look at my butt. Do you see?
Butt cake is it open?
Can I have some?
Big decision to make.
What?
I think
Which one you want? Butt cake or crumble cookie?
All of it.
Mm-mm.
See? Look at my butt. Doesn't look like I've been
Okay, Victoria.
Doesn't it look like you've been working it
Okay,
out?
okay.
Yeah.
You don't have to work that out. It's already there.
I know, but it look like I've been working out. Yeah.
My Lord. That's Victoria over here making a mess every 5 minutes.
it's really tricky because both have some great assets and some not so great assets. With that said, I think we've made our decision.
The Kalole House.
Oh, good for
When
you.
y'all leaving in 5 minutes?
I think that is a perfect.
Y'all finna go? Yeah, I'll take the ride.
We found love.
I told her I'd go to Bunt Cake.